Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, what I'll be showing with you guys is a summer look that I use in my travel vlogs that I will be uploading very soon. And if you guys are interested in this video, just keep on watching. So I use my Quick FX No Shine Mattifier as my prime. Then I used my Belo tinted sunscreen as my base. To add some dimension in my face, I use cream contour for a natural looking contour. I use my Fit Me foundation as my concealer to hide my imperfections. And for a perfect blush for summer, I just used my Tamcey Beauty Liptint tint in the shade Blush. Since I am oily and I want to make my makeup last longer, I do baking. For natural looking brows, I just use my Careline brow pencil. Setting my cream contour with my contour powder. Blush is life, that's why I add Fit Me blush in the shade Wine. For my mascara, I use my Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. You really love blush, that's why I add more. To add some glow in my face, I use my Sleek highlighting palette. For my lips, I use my Tamcey lip tint in the shade Blush and my bubuchic lip tint in the shade Girl Boss. I set my face with my MAC Fix Plus.